This stall operates at Penang's Island Glades shops with a food truck parked in the back lane. It starts from 2 p.m. until 6 p.m. and serves the students that will come after school and also the office workers that come to patronize the nearby coffee shops. Other famous stalls selling these pancakes are found at Pulau Tiku's morning market and other busy markets. These days, sellers have added toppings such as chocolate, sausages, and cheese to the variety. Still, the traditional pancakes with sugar, peanuts, and creamy corn are still the best selling items. You need to try one of these to